In the biggest domestic headline at the moment, we have got a big breaking news coming in with regards to the tragic news emerged from Hathras. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, has finally reached Hathras. He is in fact currently meeting victims and their kin as well, is the big word that we are receiving from the opposition's camp. The leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has reached Hathras after that tragic incident transpired there, killing so many people. He is currently in fact meeting all of the victims in that particular accident, and in fact he is meeting the family members of those who lost their lives as well. We'll bring you all the details from our reporters who is currently situated over there. But right now the big word that we have received from our sources is about the arrival of Rahul Gandhi finally in Hathras. We were earlier telling you that he is likely to visit Hathras, but well, he has finally arrived in Hathras. He is currently meeting the victims as well as the family members of those who lost their lives. Live visuals of Rahul Gandhi in Hathras as well on your screens at this point of time. All right. So, and of course, the big word about the main accused, Baba Bhole, who continues to stay absconding at this point of time. Everything that we know about Rahul Gandhi's arrival there, of course, Rahul Gandhi is the leader of the opposition. He left for Hathras early this morning and has finally reached there. He's going to be there with the victims. He will be meeting all of those who lost their lives as well, the kin of the family, the kin in fact of those who lost their lives. We have got Anshul Singh joining us on the broadcast early this morning. Anshul, a very good morning to you. Please tell us where exactly Rahul Gandhi is at this point of time and the big word that you have received from your sources.
So yes, Rahul Gandhi has reached over there approximately 15 kilometers ahead of Aligarh. He has come over here to meet with the family members of a woman who had died over here. The person who is meeting right now is the person who actually lost his wife and a six-year-old kid. And that is the reason why Rahul Gandhi has come over here. He is speaking to the family members at this point in time. And from here, in fact, in this village itself, there were 4 people who had lost their life, and Rahul Gandhi, in fact, 4 women had lost their lives in that stampede that had broken out on the 2nd of July in Hathras. And now he is meeting with the kin, with the family members, giving them hope. The main demand of the Congress party over here has constantly been that the amount of money that has been given, the compensation that has been given from the government, that is of 1 lakh rupees from the state government and 1 lakh rupees from the central government, is definitely not enough, because a life cannot be valued at 1 lakh rupees is what the Congress party is constantly demanding. They say that the amount should be increased to at least 1 crore rupees, and action should be taken against the people of the administration who were actually responsible for conducting this entire event. And now Rahul Gandhi has definitely come over here. This will definitely build a lot of pressure on the government, and definitely the manner in which this entire incident has happened has definitely shook the entire nation. There are a few people present over here. We'll try and speak to them and try to get to know what do they see and what happened when this incident happened. Sir, आप इसी गांव के हैं. ये जब हादसा हुआ गांव में क्या माहौल था और अभी आगे क्या डिमांड्स हैं आप?
बहुत अफरा तफरी का मालूम था, बहुत गमगीन माहौल था. सारे के सारे लोग चारों तरफ से चीत्कार पुकार करके इनके घर पे आए थे और सब लोगों ने सांत्वना बनाई थी. कुछ लोगों ने जो भी मदद कर सकती है इन लोगों की गाँवों में मदद करी, क्योंकि बहुत गरीब परिवार है.
So as you heard there, Rahul Gandhi is present over here. The person, the woman who lost his life, along with her 6-year-old son, had to also lose his life in the stampede that had broken out over there. Definitely, the entire village is mourning at this point in time. Definitely, there is a lot of stress that can be sensed out here in the environment. 4 women had to lose their lives over here in the stampede that had broken out. The FIR has been registered. 6 people have been taken into custody. In fact, have been arrested. These are the Sevadas of the alleged Baba who was conducting this entire satsang. But definitely there is the tension is definitely something that is palpable out here in Aligarh. From here, Rahul Gandhi will go to this spot and also will visit Hathras, where he will go ahead and meet other victims of the stampede as well. Definitely, there are lapses that has happened at various levels of the administration, and that is the reason why a judicial inquiry has been set up at this point in time. The judicial inquiry will look at the role of the lapses that has happened at the administration level. Remember, the permission that was given for 80,000 people. More than 2 lakh people were present over there. There were no routes of entry and exit. There was just one route from where people were allowed to enter and exit, and that became one of the biggest reasons for this stampede to break out. Apart from this, the number of police officials that were present over there, that is also very, very shocking. To control a crowd of 80,000 people on record, which was mentioned on record. There were at least...
Right, Anshul, my apologies over there. We have... all right, that's all that we have on this story at this point of time, but we have got a couple of reactions also emerging straight from the ground. Let's take a look at all of those.
This is a small district and we understand there are infrastructural challenges as well. What was the first initial hour when the incident took place? We were told that more than 100 distress call landed with the DM control room, DM office control room. How was the response in the first 1 hour that was very crucial?
As soon as we, the idea was to use all the resources at our disposal, and not only the district but also surrounding districts. So our senior officials also came to the spot, and after due consultation, it was decided to move the injured and the dead to nearby hospitals and to the hospitals at Hathras. So that was done, and after setting up the control room, we got a number of calls from the affected families, and their data was noted down. And since by the time the photos of the unidentified also had been accumulated in the control room, so that was used to identify the unidentified.
Sir, one last question, because you oversee the administration. Where is you think the investigation is headed, and what is the future course?
The investigation is being carried out, and the investigation is being carried out by the police, and the inquiry into is also being carried out. So that will happen sooner.
अगर जरूरत पड़ेगी तो पूछताछ की जाएगी, आवश्यकता पड़ेगी, we will do in the course of investigation. It is too early to say or comment कि जो है उनका रोल है कि नहीं है. बाबा के आपराधिक इतिहास की जानकारी हम लोग के द्वारा की जा रही है. जो अभी तक जानकारी प्राप्त हुई है, वो जानकारी हुई है कि सन 2000 के अंदर ये हेड कांस्टेबल पद से इन्होंने DRS लिया था, और ये SPR ऑफिस जो होता है आगरा में, वहाँ पर वो तैनात थे. वहाँ से इनके द्वारा VRS लिया गया. इसके अलावा कितने मुकदमे हैं ये जोन लेवल पे, और इसके अलावा जैसा आपने देखा कि इनके अनुयायी देश भर में हैं, तो उनके वहाँ पर और भी कहीं पे FIRs हैं क्या, ये चीज़ हम निकालने के लिए हमारी टीम्स लगी हैं, और इन सब टीमों से, इन सब प्रदेशों से सहयोग लिया जा रहा है. विवेचना प्रारंभ करते हुए 6 लोगों की अभी गिरफ्तारी की गई है. विवेचना के क्रम में ADG जोन आगरा द्वारा भी सभी जनपद में निर्देशित किया गया है अपने जनपद में गिरफ्तारी हेतु, और जोन स्तर के ऊपर भी एक SOG टीम का गठन हुआ है, जो कि संलिप्त लोगों और संस्था के सेवादार अधिकारी पदाधिकारियों की भूमिका को जांच करेगी. पर देखा गया कि इनके द्वारा खुद ही अपने आप को भीड़ नियंत्रण का प्रयास किया जाता है, और किसी प्रकार की पुलिस वहाँ पर या प्रशासनिक व्यवस्था को ये लोग एक तरह से अलाउ नहीं करते हैं. इनके अपने उसमें रिजर्वेशंस हैं. जो मुख्य अभियुक्त हैं, जो प्रकाश मधुकर हैं, उनके ऊपर 1 लाख की गिरफ्तारी का जोन लेवल के ऊपर आदेश किया जा रहा है. 1 लाख का जो पुरस्कार होता है वो घोषित किया जा रहा है.
Time to slip into a very short commercial